hello, welcome back to Homeschool. Here is your Radhika mam. Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board have released 2 model question papers for each subject for the academic year 2024-25. Today, we are going to discuss Class 10 Mathematics Model Question Paper number 1. Okay, if you look over your first page, some general instructions and time limit, what is the total marks and all given here. You can look over the first page. This paper is for 80 marks. Now quickly take out this question paper everybody if you have. If you don't have, no problem. Take a print of the question paper which I have provided the link in description. Okay, just check out in your description, take a print and get ready. Try to solve along with me. First main. 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions. Incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. In this main, we'll be having 8 questions. Each question carry 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. First one, the HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 power 5 into 5 is HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 power 5 into 5. HCF means common factor among these two. Here 5 is repeated 2 times, 2 is repeated 5 times. So among these two, 1 2 is common and 1 5 is common. That means your HCF is 2 into 5. So your option is option A, 2 into 5. Second one, the sum of first n natural numbers is, we know this directly, n into n plus 1 by 2. Suppose if you people forget, take some natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 so on. Add all these. That means take the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know first term is nothing but a, that is 1. And common difference d is second term minus first term, that is a2 minus a1. That will be 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We know AD, substitute in this. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is also 1. N by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1 into n minus into plus minus 1 ones are 1. N by 2 into 2 minus 1 is plus 1, n plus 1. So finally this is n into n plus 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay, check for the option. Option C, n into n plus 1 by 2. Third one, in a pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Which of the following situations cannot arise? Which situation cannot be arised? See the first option, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the lines are intersecting having one solution. This situation arises. See the second one, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That means the lines are parallel. Okay, this situation also there. See the third one, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. All the ratios are equal. Then the lines are coincident. This also we have seen. See the fourth one. Option D. A1 equal to A2, comma B1 equal to B2, comma C1 equal to C2. This situation cannot be arised. So your answer is option D. A1 equal to A2, comma B1 equal to B2, comma C1 equal to C2. See the fourth one graph. The number of zeros of the polynomial y is equal to p of x in the given graph is. See the graph. Observe only x-axis. At how many points the graph is intersecting x-axis? Start counting. 1, 2, 3. So your answer is the number of zeros are 3. So search for the option here. Option B, 3. Fifth one, x into x plus 2 equal to 6 is A. So let us simplify first this one. Remove brackets. X into x, x square plus x into 2 is 2x. Bring the 6 this side, minus 6. If you bring this 6 this side, then here it becomes equal to 0. Here highest power degree is 2 and equal to sign there. That means it is a quadratic equation. Option linear equation, quadratic polynomial also given. So don't be confused in writing quadratic polynomial. If equal to 0 is not there, then it becomes quadratic polynomial. But now for the situation, this is quadratic equation. Option B, quadratic equation. Sixth problem. In the figure, triangle PQ are similar to triangle ABC. Observe the figure here. Triangle PQ are similar to triangle ABC. The pair of corresponding sides in the following is. So observe these two triangles are similar, means corresponding angles are equal. Which are the corresponding angles? How to see? See, this angle A is equal to angle P. Angle R equal to angle C. Then this angle automatically it will be equal. But no arcs given, so imagine it as 0 there. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Like this try to identify. It will be easy for you. There is no confusion. So let me see first. 1, 0 in this triangle, that is PQ. In this triangle, 1, 0. That is AB. Right? Then 1, 2. PR. And here 1, 2 AC. Next 2, 0 RQ and here 2, 0 CB. Now let's see according to the options what they have given. PQ and AB. Yes, PQ and AB are the corresponding sides. So I go with the option A. PQ and AB. Like this only you can check other options also. No problem. So see the next one. Seventh one. Sin square A minus cos square A is equal to. Like this questions you should observe the options first. Suppose your answer in the form of cos square A there means convert sin square A here. Suppose in your options if you have sin square A means convert cos square A in the form of sin square A. Observe the options what you have, all in the form of cos square A there. So let me change sin square A. How can we change? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Write this minus cos square A. Minus cos square A minus cos square A will be minus 2 cos square A. So check for the option. It is option B. Option B, 1 minus 2 cos square A. Eighth one. The sum of the probability of all elementary events of a random experiment is, as we know, in probability, sum of all the elementary events is equal to 1. So your option is option C, 1. With this, we complete our first main. Second main, answer the following questions. In this main, we will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. Ninth one. Find the value of B if the pair of linear equations 2x plus by equal to 8 and 2 into 2x plus 3y equal to 16 has infinite solutions. Infinite solution means the ratios will be A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. When do you have infinite solution? When the lines are coincident. Right? So here these two equations, write their ratio. First let me just cancel this 2 8s. Okay. And write this one separately here. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Now A1 is 2, B1 is B, C1 is minus 8. Bring this one this side and here also. Minus 8 equal to 0. A2 2, B2 3, C2 minus 8. Now write the ratios. 2 by 2 equal to B by 3 equal to minus 8 by minus 8. Minus 8 by minus 8 will be 1. And here 2 by 2 will be 1. 1 equal to b by 3. Send this 3 this side. That means b value is 3. Find the b value when the lines are having infinite solutions. Just compare the ratio and get the answer. So your answer is b is equal to 3. 10th one. Write the degree of the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x square plus 12x minus 8. Observe here, highest power is the degree of the polynomial. So what is the highest power? 3. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree of the polynomial is 3. 11th one. If sin A is equal to root 3 by 2, cos A is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of tan A. Tan A, what is the ratio? Sin A by cos A. Write that. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Sin A value is root 3 by 2. Cos A value is 1 by 2. 2 cancel, root 3 by 1. I can write it as root 3. Therefore, what is your answer? It is root 3. 12th one. Write the empirical relation between the three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. Suppose if you people remember this, directly you can write the relation. If you forget, easy way to remember. Among mean, median, mode, which is little difficult? I think it is median. Next difficult, next little lesser difficulty, what do you have? Mean. Next easy one, mode. Right? Now, which is more difficult? That you give a 3, multiply with 3. Next 2, next with 1, no need of writing. Now in between these terms, equal to and here plus. So what is empirical relation? 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. 13th one, express the quadratic equation x plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by x in the standard form. Cross multiply x into x plus 1 equal to 2 3s are 6. Remove brackets, x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x. 6 bring this side, minus 6 equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form, right? So what is your standard form written here? X square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. 14th one, find the distance of the point 6, 8 from the origin. From the origin, distance formula is d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Coordinates, assume it as x and this is y. That is 6 6 are 36 plus y 8 8 are 64. 36 plus 64 will be 100. Square root of 100 is 10 units. What is the distance from origin? It is 10 units. 15th one, in the figure, triangle POQ. This triangle similar to triangle ROS and PQ is parallel to SR. If PQ is to SR is equal to 1 by 2, then find what is OS by OQ is your question. Observe. These two triangles are similar given. So where is PQ? PQ nothing but small triangle. Among these two, this is small, this is big. Like this you remember. PQ by SR given. That is what 1:2 ratio you have. Small triangle 1 and big triangle 2 ratio there. Now OS by OQ asked. OS is a side of a big triangle. So its ratio is 2:2. You have to think, imagine, small triangle is 1, big triangle is 2, means now the question asked is corresponding side of a big triangle, that is OS by OQ, that is none other than 2:1 ratio. Just do the reciprocal, reverse and write the answer. 16th one, the circumference of the circular base of a cylinder. Imagine a cylinder. The circumference of which shape it is? Circular shape, right? Circumference of the circular base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter. What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. And its height is 10 centimeter. Height is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder. What is the curved surface area formula? CSA of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r value we know, h we know, that is multiply both 44 into 10. That will be 440 centimeter square. Area now you have to write centimeter square. With this we complete our second main. If you want, you can stop the video and then solve all the two mains by taking your question paper. Check your answers, then start watching the third main. Third main, answer the following questions. In this main, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. 8 2s are 16 marks. 17th one, prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational. So these answers, I am going to solve the answers in little shortcut method. Okay, prove this as irrational. We know it is irrational. How can we prove? Write the statements. Let us assume 3 plus root 5 as a rational number. If it is a rational number, equate this to p by q or a by b, anything, and write there where a and b are co-primes and b not equal to 0. Now, this root 5 should be in the left side. Remaining number or the terms send other side. Root 5 is equal to a by b. Transpose plus 3 means it will be minus 3 here. Do LCM. A minus 3b by b. Root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by b. Whereas a minus 3b by b is a rational number and root 5 is an irrational number. Both cannot be equal. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. So, what we can say? Therefore 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Okay. 18th one. What is a composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? What is a composite number? A positive integer with more than 1 and itself as a factors. With more than 1 and itself as a factors if you have, then that number is called as a composite number. Then other than composite numbers, what we call them? We call them as a prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Example for prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, so on. Then for composite numbers, 4, 6, 8, so on. Right? So these are composite numbers. Now among the two numbers 23 and 24, which is a composite number? Observe 23, do it have any other factors other than 1 and 23? No. So this number is a prime number. 24, yes, this is a composite number. Why it is a composite number? Because it has factors more than 1 and itself. So 24 is divisible by 1, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 and 4, 12, like this. More than 1 and itself factors you have. Therefore, it is a composite number. In this, we have one more OR question. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. What is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? This is very important definition. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Its factorization is unique apart from the order of these prime numbers. This is your fundamental theorem definition. And now, write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factor. Only 7 and 3 prime factor means what we have to do? just multiply these two numbers. 7 3s are 21. 21 is the only composite number with the factors 7 and 3. 19th problem. Find the 21st term, that means A21 is equal to question mark of the arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13, so on. Find the 21st term. Write these as A1, A2, A3. First term is A1, that is A5. Common difference, second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1 is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. AN formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Which term we want? 21st term. N place you write 21. A value is 5 plus 21 minus 1 into D value is 4. 5 plus 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 into 4. That is 24s are 80. 80 plus 5 is 85. What is the 21st term? 85. 20th problem. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. You can see the two equations. Mark this as 1 and 2. Solve by elimination method. Observe why you have. So directly you can subtract the two equations. X plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Both having same value and same sign. So subtract the two equations by changing sign. You have plus 2x, write minus 2x, plus y, minus y, plus 6, minus 6. Y minus y will be cancelled. And before doing this, right here by elimination method, consider the two equation, mark it 1 and 2 and all. Neatly you solve in your exam. Okay, here we are going to do little shortcut. Y and minus y will be cancelled. X minus 2x will be minus x. 4 minus x will be minus 2. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 2. This x value substitute in any one of the equation. I'll substitute in first equation. 2 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is y is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. If you want to check whether it is right or wrong, substitute in any one equation. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes, it is correct. 21st problem. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 has two equal real roots, then find the equation when b is less than 1. Find the equation when b is less than 1. And given here, there are two real roots. Two real roots when you are going to have when the discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant d equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare and say equal to 1. B value only. C value is 9. Now substitute these values in order to get b value. After getting b value, write the equation. That is b value is b square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 9 equal to 0. B square minus 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Minus 36 send other side. B square is equal to 36. B equal to square root of plus or minus 36, that is b is equal to plus or minus 6. Write the equation. After finding b, our problem is not completed. We need to write the equation by taking b less than 1. Less than 1. See here, b is having two roots, plus 6 and minus 6. Less than 1. Which one is less than 1? Minus 6, right? In the place of b, substitute minus 6 into x plus 9 equal to 0. That is x square plus into minus minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. This is the question they have asked. 22nd, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A 1, minus 3 and B 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Let me draw a line segment. Joining points, what they have given? A 1, minus 3, B 8, 5. We need to find the point which divides. Let me mark a point P, x, y, which divides in the ratio 3:1. Like this, you should understand the problem. The line segment joining coordinates are A and B. Mark them x1, y1, and this one mark it as x2, y2, and this one ratio m1 is to m2. This coordinate we need to find. We know section formula, that is px, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the values. m1, m2 you know, right? First you write off this one, 3 into brackets plus m2 value is 1. 1 into brackets by 3 plus 1, 3 into plus 1 into by 3 plus 1. x2 value is 8, x1 value is 1, y2 value is 5, y1 value is minus 3. That is 8 3s are 24 plus 1 1s are 1 by 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 5s are 15 plus into minus 1 3s are 3 by 4. 24 plus 1 is 25, 25 by 4, 15 minus 3 is 12, 12 by 4, that is 4 3s are 12. Therefore, the coordinate of a point line division is px, y is equal to 25 by 4, 3. 23rd, in the figure, xy is a tangent at the point P to a circle with center O. Q is a point on xy. Show that OQ greater than OP. You can see the figure over there. This is none other than the theorem 1 from circles chapter. Okay, directly you can write off that theorem. 24th problem. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Okay, let me draw a hemisphere and a cone on it having both same radius 3.5 centimeters. The total height of the toy is 15 centimeters. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the toy. What we need to find? We need to find total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy means don't take total surface area of a cone and total surface area of a hemisphere. What you can see in the figure there, I can see CSA of a cone and CSA of a hemisphere. That only you write. That is CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Split the height of a cone in total height of the solid. See, this radius is 3.5 centimeters. Then this is also radius and this will be 3.5 centimeter. From here to here, it is height of the cone. If you need height of the cone, what you can do? In total height of the solid minus height of the hemisphere, that is 3.5, subtract. 15.5 minus 3.5 will be 12 centimeters is the height of the cone. What is the formula for this? CSA of a cone is pi RL plus CSA of a hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Is there anything common? Pi R is common. Take out L plus 2 R. L is slant height. Then where is L? We don't know L value, right? So find L value. Slant height L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. What is R? 3.5 whole square plus H 12 whole square. 3.5, 35 into 35, just do it. 35 into 35. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 17, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 10. That will be 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 5. 3.5, 3.5 means 12.25 you are going to get. 12.25 plus 12 12s are 144. Add for this 144, it will be 156.25. We need to find the square root of this. Square root have to find 156.25. Square root. Put bar. From this decimal point, put bar on two digits. Here only one digit there. And towards right side, again two digits. 1 ones are 1. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. 56, drag it down. What you have multiplied, those two numbers add. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now with the 2 you take a number. This number and this number should be same. That is 21 ones are 21. 22 twos are 44. Right? 6 minus 4 will be 2. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Drag this down. 1, 2, 2, 5. Okay. So again with 22 what you have multiplied to? Add that 24 and leave a space here. Same number you should take here and here. That is 245 5s. You are going to get 1225. Now what is the square root of 156.25? It is, take this point here. That is 12.5 centimeters is your L value. Now substitute. They did not give any pi value. So take it 22 by 7 into R. Radius is 3.5 into L value is 12.5 plus 2 into radius is 3.5. 7 5s means 0.5. 22 into 0.5 it will be 11 into 12.5 plus 3.52 it will be 7. 7 plus 12.5 means 19.5. 19.5 into 11 it will be 5, 14, 11, 214.5. 214.5 centimeter square is the area of the total surface area of the solid. In this we have one more OR question. The volume of a sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. Volume of a sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube given. What is the formula? Volume of a sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 539 by 3. 3 cancel. Pi place right, 22 by 7. R cube is equal to 539. R cube is equal to, transpose other side, 539 into 7 by 4 into 22. Now this one, 11 2s are, 11 4s are 44, 9 left, 99, 11 9s are. That means 7 cube you are getting here, and here you are getting 2 cube. That I will write it as 7 by 2 whole cube. Remove cube, that means cube root of 7 by 2 whole cube. Cube root cancel. R radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Find its surface area. Surface area of a sphere formula is surface surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 2 times you have r. 7 7 cancel. 2 11s are 2 2s are 4. That means 11 2s are 22. 22 7s are 154 centimeter square is your answer. With this, third main is completed. Let us start with the fourth main. Answer the following questions. In this, we will be having 9 questions. Each carries 3 marks. 9 3s are 27 marks. 25th one. One of the zero of a polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k is one more than the other zero. Find the value of k. Try to understand the problem carefully. One of the zero of the polynomial. Observe which type of a polynomial it is. Quadratic polynomial. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Let the 2 zeros be alpha and beta. Okay. If one of the zero of a polynomial is one more than the other zero. So let me take first zero as it is and another zero as one more than the other zero. Now read the question. One of the zero of a polynomial is one more than the other zero. Find the value of k is your question. How can I find this? First, we will find sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, then we will find the k value. We know, first compare the given polynomial with standard form of the polynomial. That is ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to k. We know the 2 zeros are alpha and alpha plus 1 are the 2 zeros. So, we know sum of the zeros formula. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha value is alpha only. Beta value is alpha plus 1 you write. And minus b value is minus 5, take it in bracket. By a value is 1. Alpha plus alpha. 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to minus into minus plus 5. 2 alpha is equal to 5 minus 1. 2 alpha is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to 4 by 2. That is alpha value is 2. Then what about beta? Beta is equal to alpha plus 1, right? So alpha value substitute. Beta is equal to 2 plus 1. Beta value is 3. Therefore, the 2 zeros are 2 and 3. Find the value of k. Find the value of k means you go with product of zeros formula. Product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha value is, substitute alpha value and beta value. Alpha value is 2 and beta value is 3 is equal to c value is k, a value is 1. 2 3s are 6 is equal to k by 1 is k. Therefore, k is equal to 6. That's it. Don't be confused. 2 zeros understand properly. 1 0 as it is you take. Another 0 is 1 more than the other. Now find sum of zeros, product of zeros. You are going to get the value of k. 26th problem. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Let the two numbers be. First number, let me take it as x. Then second number what we are going to take? We know first number plus second number is equal to 27, right? So second number will be 27 minus x. Given product of these two numbers is 182. Multiply these two numbers. X into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Multiply x into 27 is 27x. Plus into minus minus x into x is x square is equal to 182. Take all the terms other side. X square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Right? Rewrite full set other side. X square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Factorize the equation. 1 into 182 is 182. For 182, take the factors in such a way you should get minus 27. 182, better do LCM. 2 9s, 2 1s and 7 1s, 7 3s. That means 14 13s are 182. We should get minus 27. Minus 14 minus 13 will get minus 27. X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Among these two, take x common. X minus 14. And among these two, take 13 common. So minus 13 if you take out common. X minus 14 equal to 0. Again in these two, x minus 14 is common. Remove and write x minus 13 into x minus 14 equal to 0. That is equal to 0 or x minus 14 equal to 0. X is equal to 13 or x is equal to 14. What are the two numbers? If x is the first number is 13, second number will be 14. If the first number is 14, then second number is 13. In this we have one more OR question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. Let me draw a right triangle. Altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. Let us assume base be x centimeter and now altitude is 7 cm less than its base. That means x minus 7 centimeter. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then find the other two sides. Let the right triangle be ABC. Find the other two sides is your question. Apply Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. AC value is 13, 13 whole square. AB x minus 7 whole square plus BC x square. 13 13s are 169. A minus B whole square formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square plus x square. That is 169 is equal to x square plus x square will be 2x square minus 2 7s are 14x plus 7 7s are 49. Bring this 169 other side. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. Instead of writing this side, I am writing here equal to 0. At a time full set you can interchange. 2x square minus 14x minus 120. Now in all these 2 is common, take out. X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So we are left with x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. 60 minus 60, take the factors in such a way you should get minus 7. 10 6 are 60. 10 minus 6 or 10 plus 6 we won't get. So check for another factor. 12 5s are 60. 12 minus 5 will be 7, right? So 12 and 5 are the factors. But I should get minus 7. So take minus 12 plus 5 will be minus 7. X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. In these two, x is common. x minus 12, and among these two 5 is common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So that is x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 12, if it transposed the other side, it will be plus 12, and plus 5 transposed the other side, it will be minus 5. Therefore, x value is minus 5 and plus 12. But the length of the side of a right triangle cannot be negative. Therefore, only take x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 means BC is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeters. What about other side? AB is equal to x minus 7. That is 12 minus 7. That will be 12 minus 7 will be 5 centimeters. Therefore, other two sides of a right triangle are 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. 27. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is a direct problem from your textbook. Consider LHS. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Consider left hand side, right? This is in the form of A plus B whole square. This is also in the form of A plus B whole square. Apply that formula. A square plus 2 into A into B. A means sin A, B means cosec A, plus B square cosecant square A or cosec A whole square also you can write, plus A plus B whole square. Here A value is cos A, B value is secant A. Cos square A plus 2 cos A into secant A plus secant square A. Now the sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, we know. And here cosecant A, write it as 1 by sin A plus cosecant square A plus 2 cos A. Secant A we can write it as 1 by cos A plus secant square A. Cos A cancel. Sin A cancel. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. But I didn't get RHS. Again I remember the identities. What is cosecant square A? It is 1 plus cot square A. Write that. Cosecant square A means 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A means 1 plus tan square A. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is equal to RHS, hence it is proved.